am not specifically searching for powerful people. I am not specifically looking for people who can turn money to night as how you guys are looking for, for such people. So this topic is very crucial, and is going to help you in your spiritual journey, or in your Yoruba spiritual journey, or Ifa spiritual journey, or Orisha spiritual journey. Okay, so first of all, you need to believe in yourself. You need to believe in what you are coming to access. Spirituality is all about belief. Religion is all about belief. So the same thing in Ifa tradition, you need to believe in what you are coming to access. So believing yourself, believing the Babalawo you are coming to is very, very important if you want to access